Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. And folks, today you're in for a real treat in more ways than one. I'm here in St. Armand Circle, which is in Sarasota, right by Longboat Key. And I'm gonna go to a store called Candy Barrel. Now, for those of you who watch my channel, who are from Park Slope or Windsor Terrace, you might remember up on Prospect Park West, there was a store back in the day called Candy World, where they had the candy in the barrels and the loose candy and all the old-fashioned candy. Well, this is the closest thing to that I've ever found. Great people in there. We have Sandy and Anna in there. They're wonderful people. Carrie and I go in there all the time. So I'm going to go in there and show you a video. So I hope you enjoy it. All right. So here's a little visual of the outside of Candy Barrel. Now, upstairs is for lease. The store itself is, of course, staying there. This is in beautiful St. Armand's, as you know. That's the circle right there. And you got all the famous restaurants like the Columbia and on and on and on. But here we're focused on Candy Barrel. And I'll put the official address right on the screen right here. But let's go in and meet the folks and see some. So as soon as you come in, you get, hey Sandy, how you doing? Anna, how are you? How you doing today?
Hi, good.
Thanks for letting us do a video.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate you. We love your store.
Thank
It's
you.
just absolutely smells great. It's a throwback to childhood and all these wonderful things. How long you folks been here for? 3 years?
3 years.
Nice. It's great. It's about the time we moved in here, about 3 years ago to Sarasota.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So right off the bat, we come in and we have all the Pez collections. You got Game of Thrones and you got DC and Marvel. This is literally a walk down memory lane. Like I said, we had the store Candy World in Park Slope, and my cousins in Long Island would come in to visit my grandmother just to go to well, not just to go to that, but that was the big thing, was seeing my grandmother. And my grandmother would give them some money to go to Candy World. Of course, we were from Park Slope on our end, so we were spoiled. We got a chance to get it all the time. But you have got every single candy you could think of that's loose. Now, what I love particularly, and I'll show you this as I go around. In fact, Kerry sent me on a mission. I'm just coming home from work now. Kerry sent me on a mission to get Tootsie Rolls, and I said, I got to come and ask Sandy and Anna if I could do a video. So I'm going to show you this when I get to it, but of course, let's check out all the wonderful items. Speaking of Kerry, her favorite band, or one of them, Heart, is on. But it's actually my favorite song, These Dreams, which is actually written by Bernie Taupin. But look at this. We don't want to get too much of that, otherwise we'll get a copyright strike. That's why I'm making sure to talk over it. But here's the thing, and you'll see it here with these. You could actually come in and just buy a certain flavor. You know, have you ever bought candy and said to yourself, why can't I get all of one flavor? Well, over here you could do that. And of course, being it's a Florida store, you have all your Choco Gators. You have all kinds of amazing stuff. You have your loose bin right here, which has all of your white chocolates. Oh my God, look at these white chocolate Perels. Talk about going to a movie theater. That's memories right there. And you have all your, oh my God. Little shout out to my friend Patrick. We used to go to the video arcade and get these Junior Mints out of the machine. And who remembers Corvettes, the candy store at Corvettes on Bay Parkway, where they sold the breakup chocolate? Oh my God. Pure heaven on earth. Look at all this amazing stuff. And you'll see it here. Now, here's a perfect example. I absolutely love the chocolate Tootsie Roll Pops. Now, when you buy the bag, I don't know how many, you get 4 or 5 of those, whatever. Here you can actually take and buy as much as you want of that flavor. And again, these are all old-fashioned candies. I mean, I know Cracker Barrel sells some of this stuff, but nowhere nearly on the scale that they have here. I mean, you got gummy bears, you got all different kinds of flavors. Here's one for me, Happy Cola. That's a good one, the Coca-Cola guy. Amazing stuff. Look at all this. This is just absolutely incredible. And I'll tell you, this is, look at this, all the Harry Potter stuff. And you could also get sodas in here and all that good stuff. You got some gifts. But it's great because, you know, one of the most famous shopping centers in the world, or areas, is St. Armand's. I mean, it's not quite Bal Harbor, but it's pretty high end. And This is beautiful in here. So you can come in and do your shopping. There's your caramels. Look at that. And here's the thing. Everything is so nice and fresh. Think about going and getting caramels sometimes. You can't even... These are so soft. Look at that. You could bend them. It's perfect. Look at all that. Let's check out what they have in the drink department. Ah, there's my favorite drink in the world. And cool, they got Pepsi and Coke. I'm a big Coca-Cola fan. That's like the joke on my channel.
And we usually have the bottle Coke too.
Oh, for the Mexican Coke? Oh, it's amazing. The cane sugar. It's so popular.
Right now.
So what is your most popular candy? Is there like something that stands out from anything?
Kids love the sour stuff.
Sour stuff?
Mm-hmm. Anything
Okay.
that's sour, that's what the kids love.
Okay. And you're eating one right there. Was that a Charms?
No, this is actually a Starburst.
Ah, orange. I like it.
My favorite.
Perfect.
I love Starburst. I only eat the orange and the yellow since
Okay.
I'm a little girl. Now they made it into like pops.
I love it. So,
I'm gonna be diabetic by next week.
oh my God. So how does it work? You get a bag and you bring it up, and depending on what you get, it's by the. Is it by particular candy or it's just by weight?
It's by weight. Any candy from the barrels or the glass containers, the acrylic containers,
Right.
on the wall, $4.99 a quarter pound.
Okay. Nice.
And then we also have individual priced items.
Yeah.
And they ranged anywhere from 49 cents to $20, depending on the special candy, the big boxes of jelly beans, the dispensers,
Yeah.
you know.
You guys must be so busy at Christmas and Halloween and wow.
Oh, yeah.
You guys got a lot of trick-or-treaters at Halloween?
We give out candy.
Nice. All right. I might come by in costume.
All
This
right.
year I dressed up as Elvis.
Okay, well, I'll be outside.
I got the waistline for it.
You get the white suit with the.
I do have it. Not as fancy as his, but
Yeah.
you know,
Uh-huh.
I got mine in Spirit Halloween.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. Elvis used to get his suits from Ice Capades, believe it or not.
Get it?
Yeah. The Ice Capades company made his suits. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that.
Heard that.
Yeah. I mean, there's not that many people make stuff like that, so
Right.
yeah. But yeah, beautiful. And how about you, Sandy? Do you have a favorite candy or anything? What you like?
I like Swedish fish,
Okay.
and I like pretty much anything that's dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Okay.
Salted dark chocolate caramels.
Yeah. I love that breakup chocolate. It reminds me, we had a store called Corvettes in Brooklyn. It was actually named after, all three of the guys were Korean veterans.
Uh-huh.
So it was named Corvettes. Like, people think it's
I
like
see.
Corvette the car,
Corvette, yeah.
but it was Corvette with a K of like Korean
Oh,
vets.
that's cool.
But they used to sell, they have a candy store, kind of like this, but they had the breakup chocolate, which was incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Yeah, I was eyeing that too.
And we get you
Look at
Tootsie
this.
Rolls.
Tootsie Roll. I got to get Tootsie Rolls for Carrie. And look at this chocolate gummy bears. Oh my God, to die for. All right, so let me pause this. There we go.
Huh?
So here we go. This is the haul for today. Tootsie Rolls. Get Carrie some white chocolate. And I love these junior mints. It reminds me of being a kid. So let's weigh them up and see. Here we are for the weigh-in session. I'm glad I'm not getting on that scale.
All right, 16.23.
I love it. Thank you so much, Hannah. All right, so I got my haul of candy. I'm gonna go pick Carrie up from her job, and she'll come out to this. I might have to sample some of it in the car. You know, it's a little bit of a wait. So folks, do yourself a favor. Come on down. Let me get the picture of the American flag there. That's always nice in the background. You definitely want to come down here and visit. They're wonderful, as you can see. You find all kinds of candy, and you could just, it's like walking back into your childhood. It's like living, walking back for me 40, 45 years. And again, this is just a nice little respite, walking around to these wonderful shops. And again, you're right near the #1 beach in America. This one here is Lido Beach. They're all, of course, attached to the Gulf. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any ideas for videos, let me know. And for my Brooklyn people out there, just, shout out some memories for Candy World, which was up on 9th Avenue. I don't know the exact address, but it was between 16th Street and Windsor Place on the side of Farrell's Bar, on that side. So those of you know, you know. All right, folks, till the next video. Love you. See you next time. Bye-bye now.